Hey, welcome to Arrange Wave. Today we're going to be talking about how to export your song. So here you're finished with your song. Everything's cleaned up. It's looking good. Let's give it a listen, make sure everything's working. That's Davis Harwell on the trombone. Okay, everything looks good. You're going to go to File, Export Audio Video. Then you have some options. You can export the master. You can export individual tracks or selected tracks. Make sure your sample rate, bit depth, everything is all good to go. If you want to export an MP3, you can do that. Or video, if you have a video connected to it. Change the file type. I'm going to do WAV. Click Export. Select where you want it to bounce to. Hit Save. I sped this up a little bit. And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.